Welcome to the Top 5 Forex Trading Strategies course. My name is Petko Aleksandrov, and in this course I will teach you how to use my best trading strategies. I have been trading for quite a long time now, and 3 years ago I decided to start sharing my strategies with others. I uploaded a couple of videos online and there was a massive interest, so I decided to group them into courses. Nowadays, I already have over 30 online trading courses where I show different methods of strategy creation, how to analyze the market, and how to trade with expert advisors. What makes this course one of my favorite is that I put it together with the best strategies from all the other courses and all my trading experience. Anytime I find a better strategy, I add it to this course. Now, I know that most traders prefer to trade manually. This is why I have dedicated 10 lectures in this course to explain how the strategies work, what indicators are used, the parameters, and all the details you need to know before trading. For those of you who are like me and prefer algorithmic trading, I have attached the expert advisors, or the so-called robots. If you are a beginner trader, you will see a step-by-step guide on how to place the expert advisors and how to trade with them. I will also show you how to use the MetaTrader platform, which is the most common platform for trading. It is free, most of the brokers provide it, and it is easy to use. In the next lecture, I will give you some tips about the course and how you can get the most out of it. After that, we will be ready to get started.